What's up, everybody? I've got another unusual, very attractive bead here. This one here it's kind of strange. It looks like a black from one side, but it's a pearl. It's a black translucent pearl with white stripes going through it. And yeah, look at that. I don't see how close I can get with before it starts blurring out on me. Let me try to lock the focus in. Yeah, look at that. I mean, that's really awesome. Look at that. It's really cool. We'll go with anything and go with any setup you have, any type of jewelry you want to make out of it. Zipper pull, EDC gear, lanyards, paracord bracelets. This would look really cool, like inside of a black bracelet probably. I don't know, I may just throw one in there just to look to see how it is and take some pictures of it. But this is up on fiddlebone.com right now, as well as many other absolutely incredible beads, especially my new top hat beads. You got to see them. Go check them out on the page. Or follow us on Instagram. I do Instagram, what do they call those videos during the day of how I do some of my stuff, as well as I post daily on Instagram as well. So like, follow, share, subscribe, all that crazy stuff or whatever. All right, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.